This is just another perspective drawing. This is actually the first one I made, but turned out a little chaotic and didn't really teach the concept very well because I made some weird choices in the beginning right here. It turns out kind of interesting. Shows that you can use this in a lot of different ways. And at the end there's another piece in there briefly that would show you a little bit how color might work on that more abstract piece like this. One of the other classic perspective projects that teachers hand out is to do a word. So I put loud up there just because I started to look at this as some kind of weird club entrance or some kind of Las Vegas pointy architecture. But not much of that ends up in the piece at the end. In the end it looks more like a particle accelerator or something. So you can see in this drawing now I'm using perspective as a true gimmick. It's got 3 points, one at one point in the middle, and then two more just kind of shining out of the sides and converging together. But it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, really. It's just being hidden by all these lines, which is why I thought it was a kind of a throwaway as a demo, but you know, you can learn something from things that go haywire. This is ballpoint pen now, so finally get to use the ballpoint pen. I lose a lot of that subtlety that the pencil was having, but I did that on the other video, so that's why I think I ended up doing the pencil on that one, because this one ends up being a little bit graphic-y, and with an hour and a half or 2 hours you're not really going to be able to get into a lot of good cross-hatching or shading, but I would encourage you to do that. you're going to put big details in or change a big shape or cut something out of the architecture that you're building, then go back to the ruler. My scissors and rulers are fighting for a second. Yeah, go back to the ruler and make sure that you're hitting those points and don't get wonky. It's okay to have a few shapes that are off the model, but you don't want to have the whole thing. Yeah, there you can see a previous one I did. Yeah, I don't think that one ever really came together. It's trying to do two things at once, and you need to just pick a side. If you're going to do 1 point, then do 1 point. If you're going to do 2 point, then do 2 point. Unless it would be fun to kind of cut into that as an opening of the building and do a little bit more, but maybe just start over.